So let's switch gears. Let's jump over to a whole life insurance. This is another topic that we find ourselves really in deep with, because whole life means you own it. So that changes it up a little bit when it comes to a life insurance product. Do you want to pay for this whole life product for the rest of your life? Well, you can if you'd like. It would be a little bit cheaper. But a lot of our clients find themselves not wanting to purchase this and pay it out until they're 80 years old. A lot of them will pay it out with a goal set of 10 years, 20 years, or even a popular one we write is our life paid up at 65, so that when you hit retirement age, this product's done. It's no longer on the monthly budget. So keep that in mind when we're looking at life insurance products. You do have options there for how long you want to carry the payment of the whole life product. Again, you own it, so there's benefits to that. One of the big ones that we like to point out to you is it has long-term care riders built into it. What does that mean for you? Well, in the event you should have to move into a long-term care facility, skilled nursing, there is money in your policy that would help aid that financial burden, and you could activate your policy then. Another big caveat to having a whole life policy for a lot of our clients is the fact that they can borrow money from it. So, 10, 15 years into your whole life policy, you've earned cash value there, and there is an option to borrow some of that cash value that's earned. So maybe you have a new home purchase later in life, second home, vacation home, and you want to avoid the PMI. Well, borrow a little bit from that life insurance policy and put down. Maybe you're helping one of your kids pay off some of that student debt that they racked up when they were getting their college degree. Another opportunity there with your whole life policy. Let's go ahead and help our kids, pay off some of that college debt. So there's many things that you could look at doing with the cash value in a whole life policy. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of what the difference is between the two. But a lot of it depends on your situation and what you're looking for. This is a gap, just like, your auto insurance and losing your auto, losing your home. Those are gaps that we have to plug up. So a lot of times when we're bringing this up, I know it comes off as like, oh, they're trying to upsell me another insurance product. That's not the case. We're just, again, trying to close a gap in your life that maybe you were or weren't aware of, or you just never really gave it consideration that my life is just as important as my car, as my cell phone, as anything else you may carry like an insurance policy on. I know when you buy new appliances, sometimes we get offered that insurance. Hey, 2 years, we'll replace it. Why are we not putting that insurance on our lives, especially for the ones that financially depend on us? That's big. And we'd love to talk to you more about it. Maybe if you just have some general questions, don't feel like if I call Joe, he's going to try to sell this to me and I have to purchase it now. Life insurance, a lot of times with our clients, is kind of a baby step thing. So we just kind of dab into it, just have the conversation. Obviously, you would work with your spouse or whoever it is you're wanting to make sure that you have financial coverage on, and then maybe we revisit it in 6 months, a year. We work with you, we meet you where you're at. I'm just trying to let you guys know that this isn't like a high pressure sell. It's just a simple, when we get to the point of application, when we get to the point we're here, that's good because we're closing that gap. So give us a call, let us know what we can do. If it's just education, we love to educate here. So if it's, hey, I'm ready and I need a policy, I got a lot on the line, I got 3 kids, I got a mortgage, I got cars, we got this and that, then we're here to help. And we want to see what's going to work for your budget, but also close that gap. Anyways, hey guys, thanks for listening, and give us a shout. Let's chat.